going on, boys?
A lot, buddy. What y'all doing, man?
This is the man, the guy right here. On Facebook under Norfolk MX. Norfolk MX, Facebook, Instagram.
We're at a hydro today, so we're just working by the natural light here. So.
She's a windy one out there. We came through a sandstorm, thought I was out in the middle of the desert. Later. All right, fast forward Sunday morning now. Picked the bike up on Friday. And Jemima, she's even on this bottle. About to get some brekkie in us and go for a little ride day. Whoa, chain's a little tighter than I like it. Guess it's better tight than loose. Stretch it. Whoa, this baby loaded this up by herself. Moto check. 94. Jeez, Trudeau. You're gonna have a hard time riding here soon. Gassing her up. This baby wasn't empty, I might go broke. $10, not even one tank. Crazy. Just unloaded the baby. A few boys on a Sunday. JD. What's going on? Look at the flow. Look at the flow on the kid. Holy fuck. Baby is growing. You look like Speed in a fucking can.
Fucking lime can.
Give us a growl. Brock says I don't drink water before a ride day. It only slows me down. Liquid courage, eh? Quick guzzy for the boys. Jack guzzing for the boys. Everybody's guzzing for the boys. Fuck yeah, big guzz for the boys. Let's go.
Yeah, I'm ready. Buddy.
Brashy. What's going on, buddy?
Harrison.
Pleasure to meet you.
Oh yeah. He ain't even fucking hold on. They know.
JD coming in hot. Hot. Prediction?
Fucking cooking.
Getting slow with old age, huh? He's right behind you.
They weren't.
Arms are not out.
Your bike's heavier though.
See, that's the problem. And fucking 200 cc smaller. What do you got? 450?
2.
2?
Might as well be a 4. Fuck, she's bouncing off the rev limiter the whole time.
I don't know how your wallet or nothing doesn't fall out. No smokes. Phone, wallet, all right in them.
Quality diener.
Out of my ass.
A fucking fly. Take a dip. We'll all give you a toonie.
These ones where you cut all the middle and then leave.
You want to
the
cut
outside.
it?
Yeah.
You cut my hair one time. A bald spot from like you. One bald spot.
Checking the kit. Clean.
Third gear. Shift into 2 gears. Fucking hit up. Straight up that fucking trail over.
All right, let's see her.
That's what it's for.
Let's see her. You already got the boots on. Just throw the bucket. All right, all right. I'm about to go hop on my hole. I got a 20 for whoever does belly flopper. You never heard that saying? 20 bucks is 20 bucks. When in doubt, throw all out.
Jonah was the best.
The star. I remember that. Seeing you on the podium. The Monster Energy. Girls behind you. Now it's a beer. Fucking
The problem is that they race every Sunday and they start in the fucking morning.
What, and you couldn't wake up?
No, and then you go and you camp there. You get all your racing buddies. Everybody drinks fucking a lot of beer.
You got a race the next day.
Yeah,
So
right?
it's either beer or race. You chose beer.
Oh. 479 look clean, babe.
Yeah, then
I think that bush can kind of matches the
I do that.
aesthetics of her.
This one. You know,
Take 2.
Screw of some sort.
Look who decided to show up.
When I was riding.
Oh, wait till you see this tire. lot of life left in that baby.
Because you're coming up, right as I was beside you, I felt my ass end just like this.
Yeah.
Well, I was kind of just holding the line.
When in doubt, throttle out. That baby's fucked.
It was fun all last night.
That's all that counts. Better the bike than you. I owns 8 pairs of $700 boots.
No, I
can't buy one fucking tire.
That's a lot.
Fucking do worm.
What's going on, buddy?
What's going on, big guy? Dennis, let's go. Fucking Quaid riders.
Guys with the helmet on this time.
Being on Raptor, we don't want you. Green.
Spent the last year chasing myself.
816 down on the trail. This camera does no justice. Look at that. Straight up and down.
Well, I know I can do it.
Kodak Courage. I want this guy's fucking tax bracket riding with a fucking ounce of, got a whole kilo of fucking gold on the neck.
Plastic. Another one the other day.
It was like a week ago.
Yeah, still the other day.
What you gotta say about that, dude?
Not much.
I think this whole trip this guy has had that fucker glued to his hand. Fucking guzzle. Fuck yeah. Sponsor him, Bush Light. What he's going for.
Oh, you just got one time. You're fine.
Well, just as soon as I put the phone away,
Fucking trees.
fucking Scott here
They come
comes
out
up.
of nowhere.
The step up just fucking wicks her to the left. Supposed to be dialed straight down. Smokes the tree with the good old peg ski. Goes over the bars, ass over tea kettle. Fucking folds himself over fucking Jack's rear tire backwards. Man stands up and says, "Where's my beer? I'm a little thirsty." Where's the bike? Bike take a beating at all? Just the lever. Bent lever, let's see. Well, the bars have probably been straighter before. Still looking clean though. Oh, push it out. Dude, what you got to say about all this?
Fuck, I don't know. Not much.
Still looking clean. Yeah. Fucking the nose. What's going on?
Every time I fucking watch this shit, I just want to fucking watch him wipe out. I don't know what the fuck it is about him, but I
gonna
got
say,
her there.
I was gonna say, ask it your showery scene.
Fuck, I laid the curse now.
What's the prediction? Oh, he crushed her. She's empty. Hi, I'm Troy. Nice to meet you.
I'm Kayla. Nice to meet you.
I swear by OtterBox. Left my phone on the trailer, drive down the road, falls off. Well, I set her on the back of the truck, ran her over with the trailer. She's still mint, not even a crack.
That's what I gotta get over and do.
Got my chin diaper on for extra protection here. What do you want for the boys? Soft ice cream. You know what they say about soft ice cream?
Look at how stupid these fucking
Good for another day. Then why are you wearing it? Couldn't even hear what you just said. Will you say it again? I couldn't hear you through your mask.
I don't like them.
Oh, baby. Willy burger for the kids. Let's go. Back again. Whoever would have guessed it.
What do we want? What do we want? Wash soap. There we go. Let's go. Oh, fresh and clean again. Nice. Well, boys, got her off the trailer, back into the crib, all clean, ready for another week of riding. Also, boys, just a heads up. Every Wednesday on Instagram at Folk and Films, if you tag us in your story, we will send you the next week's episode that day. So, you know, you can get it 5 days early. Every Wednesday on Folk and Films on Instagram, just tag us in your story. You'll get next week's episodes. Folk and Films, give us a follow. Also, smash the like button on this video and smash the like button on the last video, episode 2. If we get 250 likes on episode 2, me and the boys are going to buy pit bikes. So, I mean, smash that like button, assault it, make it your bitch, tap it 100 times. Even though only one counts, just hit that like button and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next week. Later.